$900. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the best PC components that you can buy under $900. Now, links of all the products will be in the description. You can check the latest pricing from there. Let's get started. So for the processor, I have chosen the Intel Core i5-12400. This one costs around $187. Now, this processor is an excellent value for money gaming processor. It comes with up to 4.4 GHz boost clock speed, which is excellent, and also it has 6 core and 12 threads, which will give you medium level performance in video editing. So with this price, it's an excellent deal. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the MSI Pro B660M. This one costs around $129. Now this motherboard comes with 4 RAM slot, 2 NVMe slot, and a decent amount of heatsink over the VRM section, so you won't see any thermal throttling. And with this price, it's an excellent deal. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro SL. This one costs around $59. Now with that, you are going to get 2 RAM stick, each of them are 8 GB, so in total you will get 16 GB. And as you can see, these RAMs have excellent RGB effect on the top, which you can control by IQ software. Lastly, those RAMs also comes with lifetime warranty. Then for the SSD, you have chosen the Crucial P3 500 GB. This one costs around $34. Now I highly recommend you, if you can increase your budget slightly, you must go with the 1 TB version. Now this SSD comes with up to 3500 Mbps read-write speed, which is excellent for an SSD just under $34. Now comes the main part of a gaming build, the graphics card. And here we have chosen the XFX Radeon RX 6650 XT. This one costs around $318. Now this graphics card costs $50 less than an RTX 3060, but performs better than that. And with this graphics card, you can play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings easily, and you can also play games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings in many titles. So overall, it's an excellent graphics card for under $320. Then for the power supply, we have chosen the Corsair CXM 750W. This one costs around $89, and with that price, you are going to get a semi-modular power supply, so your cable management will be excellent, as you can detach all the unnecessary cable. And also this power supply comes with 5-year plus warranty. So overall, a 750W power supply for under $90 is an excellent deal. Finally, for the casing, we have chosen the Lion Leland Cool 205. This one costs around $109, and with that price, you are going to get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, a mesh front, a side tempered glass, and overall an excellent casing. But keep that in mind, casing is completely up to you. Buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $931. Thanks for watching.